Hey guys, welcome to Philip's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a nice, simple, easy, super fast banana bread. And on top of that, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how with that banana bread, we're going to make French toast banana bread. So stay tuned, watch till the end for that bonus. So don't forget to grease your pan with some butter and a nice coating, light coating of all-purpose flour. So for this recipe, it's going to call for 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter, 1 large beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and that's it. And 3 medium-sized bananas. So let's start this. We're probably going to finish this before the oven has the time to heat up. So I use a mashed potato masher for this whole recipe. You don't need any blenders, no mixers, nothing, and a fine mesh to sift your flour. So we're going to start off with this. Pour your melted butter over your bananas and just go ahead and mash. So pretty much as long as they're like a pudding consistency, that's perfect. Then you could add, since it's no longer hot, your butter, the egg. So that's 1 large beaten egg. And your vanilla. And mash that in too. So now we're going to add salt, baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, sugar. Make sure it's sugar and not salt. I don't want to do that mistake. And whisk it. Perfect. So now we're just going to add the flour through a sifter. And we're going to whisk that too. There's the consistency. It's perfect. Now we're going to grab the baking dish with a spatula. Shake it around a little. Level it. So look at that. We finished the whole recipe and the oven hasn't even preheated. That's how fast that is. And the kids are going to love that. Alright guys, so now into the oven at 350 for 55 to 65 minutes, depending on your oven, which you're going to want to do around 55-minute mark. Just put a knife in there. If it comes out clean, perfect. If it comes out a little sticky, leave it another 5 minutes and keep checking. Alright? Alright guys, so for the bonus round, we're going to do French toast banana bread. And I'm going to just put the banana bread on a plate with a little egg like that to get everything coated. It is a little bit more fragile than a piece of bread, so be careful. Frying pan's nice and hot. Well, there's our French toast. Now some nice little maple syrup right on top. Look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time.